When writing developer and user messages, you can help the model understand logical boundaries of your prompt using a combination of Markdown formatting and XML tags. This is particularly useful in your developer messages. For example, here we have a user message that asks our model to declare a variable for a last name in JavaScript. And here in our developer message, we instruct the model to use the snake case. Let's create a Markdown document to expand our developer message. In general, a developer message will contain the following sections, usually in this order. Identity. Describe the purpose, communication style, and high-level goals of the assistant. Instructions. Provide guidance to the model on how to generate the response you want. What rules should it follow? What should the model do and what should the model never do? This section could contain many subsections as relevant for your use case, like how the model should call custom functions. Examples. Provide examples of possible inputs, along with the desired output from the model. Context. Give the model any additional information it might need to generate a response, like private or proprietary data outside its training data, or any other data you know will be particularly relevant. Let's update each section. Here we provide the high-level goal that the model needs to follow, like the use of snake case and that it needs to run in IE version 6. Here we provide concrete instructions on what rules the model should follow. The use of snake case. The use of var to support old browsers, and that it should return just the code. No other messages. Here we use XML to provide a question and answer example. If a user asks this, you respond with this output. In this example, we don't have any additional context. So we just delete this header. There you have it. We save this file as prompt.md. Now we need to use this file in our code. We save the contents of the file into this variable. Now we can replace our instructions parameter with this variable. We are done.